Today, we're gonna be heading over to the Dollar Tree. I've heard that they have all of their new fall stuff out, and I am so excited to see what they have. I'm hoping that they have some new items and lots of pumpkins because, hey, fall is my favorite time of the year. Is it your favorite time of the year? I am kind of over the summer. It's so hot here in Texas, and I'm just ready for the cool weather, the crisp autumn and evenings. Let's go check out everything that the Dollar Tree has.
Now, the Dollar Tree always has these cute little signs. I'm absolutely loving the ones that they have this year. Now, some of these I do remember seeing last year, but they are just as cute. They are made of like a MDF style material, and I even like those ones that have the paddles because they do have like the raised wood on them, and look at that twine up there. They are so cute. I fell absolutely in love with these beaded little pumpkins, and they also had them in different colors. I love the green and the cream, but the white and the orange are just as cute. And look how cute the little twine bow is. You could hang these on your doorknob or even just around the house on the wall. And at $1.25, Dollar Tree definitely did not skim. They also had a smaller beaded little wall decor, which is so cute, and I thought that would be great on a small door. Dollar Tree had a lot of tabletop decor. This acorn thankful was so cute. They had a leaf that had said grateful, and each of these actually stood up so you can prop them up. I think they would look really good on a tiered tray. Of course, it is not fall without football, and these were adorable. These were located in the Harvest fall section. Not sure if these are new this year, but they were like the coffee cups that said pumpkin and spice. They had some latte styles. They did stand up. I did test them, but they were so cute. Look at this one. It says fall sweet fall and happy harvest season. I love the details of the twine that they add to it. And again, these would be cute on a tiered tray. Over in the floral section, they had these leaf garland. Some of them were a little sparkly, kind of sheer. They remind me a little bit of a glitter tulle. So these would be great to put on your mantle or even decorate a kitchen windowsill. Dollar Tree had so many of these dough roller happy fall y'all tabletop decor. They had these in orange, they had them in a brown, and they did have them in this natural wood. Heading over to the wall decor, they had so many cute little things. I love that. Look at this one that says pumpkin patch. It's so bright and vibrant. And they even had these scarecrows, which would be so cute in your front yard or in your backyard, maybe around the pool. Just stick them in. They're so easy to use. I saw this pumpkin one, which was so cute. I love the white pumpkin with like the black leaves. They had orange ones with a black leaf as well, and I just think they were so cute. They did have this flower one, however I really didn't feel the fall vibe, but I guess you could definitely use it. Still in the wall decor here at the Dollar Tree, I saw this cinnamon sugar recipe that you could hang on your wall, and it has all of the ingredients. And not only that, but look how cute the graphics are. They had a spiced apple one, and there was a lot of glitter on the words of spice cider, so that will definitely give your house a nice fall vibe. They had some more of these garden stakes, and these were a little bit smaller, but I did love the beaded details in them. They came in a variety of different colors. They had the cream, they had this like copper gold color, which is so pretty. At the Dollar Tree, I found this, it's probably a foot wide, if not bigger. This is a plain like wooden DIY hanging decor. This would be great to just do with the kids. They could paint that, and then you kind of have a keepsake, which I thought was kind of cool. So it's something to do with the kids like during the holidays. I found some more tabletop decor here at the Dollar Tree, and they really have a lot this year. They have them with the twine. I love the beads. They even have like a layered look to them, like that apple is raised on this one here. here. They had a double pumpkin layered look, and I love the muted green and the yellow, and even that red and orange are so cute. This was a pretty good size, so that could be great for your tablescape or even in a kitchen window. Looking to hang a wreath this year, go to your Dollar Tree. They have so many to choose from at $1.25. They had so many colors. This was a green one with a pumpkin. I saw some cream ones, even this little wagon one, which was so cute. Some of them were a little crooked, so just be sure that you are looking at them. They did bend pretty easily. They were pretty fragile, so if you do have a heavy wreath, this may not work, but if it's just kind of, on the lighter side, it'll be just fine. I really wish these pumpkins were just a little bit bigger, but because I really like the color of them, I love this muted dark green, and the orange is just a gorgeous color, and I love the cream. This was very like a natural colors to me. If they had them bigger, I would have absolutely grabbed them. Even this one here on the left was still a little bit small, but I think they would be so cute as on your tablescape. They had a lot of items that had clips on them, so I'm assuming that these are going to be great for if you're making a handmade wreath. So again, this would be great for some DIY. They had so many colors: pink, white, dark blue, a teal, and even a gray. And this material was kind of like a velvety crushed material, so a really unique material. I loved these little plant sticks, but be careful, one of them did kind of fall off, so just double check the ones that you're getting that they are not loose. Here are some more of those clipped pumpkins. Now these were in a sweater design, and they had orange, blue, green, so I'm really liking all the different textures that Dollar Tree is bringing out this year for fall. Pumpkins, pumpkins, pumpkins. I am telling you, Dollar Tree had so many pumpkins to choose from. You guys, go to your Dollar Tree, grab them up before they are gone. These were so soft and so cute. Now, I did have to go to two Dollar Trees. One of the Dollar Trees that I was at, they actually did not have any fall stuff out. And then I went to my other Dollar Tree, and they had everything out for fall. Oh gosh, look how cute this pumpkin one is. I love the beads, and I love that green and the cream. Y'all, that would match my kitchen so well. They had these 3-piece set of LED candles, and they were orange. Now maybe this was just my Dollar Tree, but these were ceramic pumpkins, and they were not really by the fall. They were just kind of random in the middle of the store. Maybe they just didn't have any room for it, but these are the ceramic ones. They're so cute. And I found these leaves. I thought these would be so cute to like put in a vase, like a clear vase, and then add your greenery around. I feel like we just keep coming back to this tabletop decor because Dollar Tree just has so many tabletop decors. So definitely hit up your Dollar Tree. They had a variety of these fall shaped plates. These were mini little shapes. They had a yellow leaf, they had a red leaf, and they had some little acorns. I thought this would be great to have put little candies in. Even this acorn, it was divided, so you could actually put two different things in there. I also thought that maybe the pumpkin one over there to the right would be a great little spoon rest. Let me know down below what you would use these little fall shaped ceramic plates for. The Dollar Tree brought in so many fall floral this year. They had so many sunflowers. I saw mums. They had even some glittery stuff. I'm not sure what those are called, but they did feel pretty decent. At least you could get away with making some kind of a floral arrangement pretty cheap. I know the other day I was at Walmart looking for some new floral, and some of them were ranging from $6 to $12 just for one little thing. Oh, and look at this. I found this vase for $1.25. I ended up picking 2 of these up. You guys, wait till the end of this video so I can show you what I made. You guys are going to love it. Look how cute these acorn picks are. They were made of foam. I saw this pack of these tiny little acorns. I thought they would be cute like in a vase or even on your tablescape. Now mushrooms are kind of a vibe this year, and they had different colors. They had this teal. I saw some orange. I even saw a burnt orange. Use these for crafts. They were made of like a foam material, so they will glue really well. Like if you're making a wreath, those would glue on perfectly. Dollar Tree had these sweater pumpkins. They came in this golden yellow, a navy blue, an orange, and even a cream. Again, let me know down below what you would use these in. Heading down to the Dollar Plus aisle, we see these signs that were $5. They had a variety of them. Some said Home Sweet Home. I saw this Happy Fall sign. Now these would be great if you have a porch or even by your front door. They had this sunflower one, which was so vibrant, and it says welcome. This hanging scarecrow was only $3, and it was so cute. It was like a half of a wreath, and the scarecrow was like sitting on it like a swing. We finally found the bigger pumpkins, and these even had florals on them. I can't remember if these were $3 or $5, but look how pretty that purple one was. Dollar Tree had some printed fleece blankets. Now these felt pretty decent. I don't think they were a very big size because they are a throw, but if you're looking for a fall themed throw, this is a perfect place for it. These were $5 each. I found these milk tin. This one was actually a green one with some twine on it. Had that muted green, and it said hello fall. This was $5. I have been talking about a tiered tray, and y'all, I found one and it was so pretty with this wood accent. It was only $5. It is 15 inches high and 10 inches across the bottom, and I love the little leaf handle that it had. If you're looking for a fall Lazy Susan, head over to your Dollar Tree because you can pick one up for only $5. I was absolutely in love with this harvest styled lantern. Now this was an LED lantern. It does require some batteries, but I thought you could put this on your table. You could put this on your patio outside. You could even hang these up if you wanted to. I went ahead and grabbed this black one. It was the last one, but I love the little pumpkins on the side. And I did notice that you could actually remove those pumpkins and greenery. So when the fall season is over, you could still use it. If you have a shelf that you're decorating, these animal self-sitters are so cute at $3. I only saw these two, but they were really high quality made. I love the beads on this little turkey one, and the fox had the bead legs as well. Dollar Tree also had this larger gather together sign. It had a twine bow, and it was $3. For $3, you can pick up this 6-foot long garland flocked pumpkins, and they had several of these. I think this would look really nice with those fall leaf garlands. You could also pair it with this 30 count LED leaf lights for $5. Now these do require 2 AA batteries. This layered pumpkin tabletop stand was $5, and it really gave me some Hobby Lobby vibes. And I did see this one white pumpkin in the back. This candy cane garland was $3, and it was made of a felt material with some pom-poms. I feel like you could use this for Halloween and for Thanksgiving. are back at the house, and I did end up picking up the vase for $1.25. I picked up these tiny little acorns that we saw. So I'm going to put those down at the bottom of the vase, and then I'm just going to add one of these sweater pumpkins and some other florals that I picked up. I love the moss pumpkin, the sunflowers. So I'm kind of going for a very natural themed with a splash of fall in it. I will say these pumpkin sticks had this sticker on them, and because the sticks actually had some more of a paper outside to it, it was really hard to get this tag out, but we did manage for the most part. So I ended up making 2 of these nice little bouquets. I put one on my table, and then I had another one that I made, and I put that on one of my bookshelves, but I think they turned out so nice. I really wanted a new bouquet for fall for my table, and I was so glad to find these at the Dollar Tree. I think they turned out so nice.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree fall preview. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!